10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Northern Tier's What's So Cool About Manufacturing Video Contest Awards. Coming up, we're going to celebrate 9 middle school production teams from across northern Pennsylvania. I'm Laura McHugh from United Way of the Greater Lehigh Valley, and it's my great honor to be your host for this event. In the spring of 2020, these teams had nearly finished their videos before schools went completely virtual, putting a halt to the contest. But as soon as they could, students used their grit to finish the work. This ceremony not only celebrates the 3 trophy winners, but all of the teams from Northern Tier that persevered. To fully appreciate their accomplishments, we have to go back to the beginning of the school year to answer the question, what's so cool about manufacturing? Student video teams from across the state are paired with Pennsylvania manufacturers and tasked with producing a 2-minute video about their company's unique work environment and career opportunities. To be successful, students learn digital storytelling skills including producing, videography, editing, and marketing. They record all of their video during one visit to the manufacturer, edit for weeks to whittle hours of raw footage down to 2 minutes, then create and execute an original outreach plan to get others to watch their finished product. With these new digital storytelling skills, students are capturing and sharing videos about jobs in manufacturing. Their videos educate students, parents, and teachers about career pathways and dispel the myths and stigmas associated with manufacturing jobs. What's So Cool About Manufacturing started in 2013 with 16 school districts. Today, 283 school districts have participated, representing 57% of the state. That means since the contest began, it has impacted 58 of the 67 counties in the Commonwealth. Our students have partnered with 508 unique manufacturers over the years, and more than 5,000 students have participated since the contest's inception. What's so cool about manufacturing not only gives student teams the opportunity to learn about careers, technology, and digital storytelling, but the program is changing perceptions of students, parents, educators, and the community about what jobs look like at Pennsylvania manufacturers. Now that you have a better idea of what the students do, let's take a look at what they created. Here's the first of 3 highlight reels showing the students' work.
Congratulations on a job well done.
We asked the question,
What's so cool about manufacturing?
and you answered.
What's it like to work in manufacturing?
Check this out.
Wyalusing Area and Arrow United Industries. Northeast Bradford and Geldwen. North Penn Mansfield and Keystone North.
That was pretty awesome, right? You're telling me.
Recording video, transferring to a computer, and editing down to a clear story, the production of a message is no easy task. Our first award goes to the team whose combined technical skills of videography and editing were over the top. The award for Outstanding Technical Achievement goes to Tunkhannock School District and Procter & Gamble.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Lots of things, like
Let's just go find out for ourselves.
P&G is a manufacturing facility.
Let's go.
Hi, my name is Jose de los Rios.
My name is Chris DeMarco.
My name is Mary Moga.
Procter & Gamble operates in over 180 countries throughout the world with over 130 plants. Depending on what metrics you use, Mahoopany is the largest plant in the world. Here at Mahoopany, we make Charmin and Bounty, and we also make Pampers and Luvs diapers. For a typical product for us, from the point we receive the raw materials until the final product goes out the door, it could be as little as 3 hours. We ship over 300 trucks out every day, and some of those products might be loaded into containers that could also go on to trains or barges, even to go overseas. We make enough of all of those products every day to serve over 1 million consumers.
So currently we have about 1,650 P&G employees that work at this site, and about 60% of those people live in Wyoming County.
Procter & Gamble has tried to reduce its carbon footprint over the last 10 years. We have reduced our carbon footprint by 20% at our manufacturing facilities across the globe. We have recyclable material being used to create our products and packaging. For our 2030 goals, we have a goal of getting to 100% of our bottles being recyclable or being able to be reused.
Well, what I love about working in manufacturing is that we get to work as teams. We get to learn a lot about our process and the equipment and solve problems. And every time we have a problem that we need to solve, we end up learning a little bit more about our machine and how our process works.
Here at the Mahoopany plant, our goal every day is to treat nature as a customer.
You were right, Sarah.
Why?
Because there are so many cool things about manufacturing.
So today we learn what's so cool about manufacturing.
On behalf of the Tunkhannock Area STEM Academy, I want to congratulate Mrs. McCloskey and their amazing team on the hard work of completing an outstanding video. Congratulations, 7th grade.
On behalf of the entire leadership team here at the plant, I want to congratulate the Tunkhannock Area School District for putting together such an awesome video. We're extremely proud of your hard work, and we were thrilled to be able to collaborate with you on this project. Congratulations on such a well-deserved award.
Congratulations to Tunkhannock and Procter & Gamble. As you watch from home, we know you're eager to see more of our students' excellent work. Here's our second highlight reel featuring more of our Northern Tier teams.
Making a video is a lot like manufacturing.
As a team, you start with a plan,
You get your material together.
And you work hard till the final product is perfect.
You won't believe what our students produced.
Sullivan County and Lewis Lumber. Wellsboro area and Metalcraft Industries.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Mountain View and Golas Machines.
Do you guys ever wonder how stuff is made?
Making a video is not easy.
You can say that again. One of the unique components of the What's So Cool About Manufacturing Career Awareness Program is the Viewer's Choice Award. The purpose of the Viewer's Choice Award is to raise awareness about careers and technology through an entire school and community by getting the public involved in online voting. The Viewer's Choice Award winner is the team that gets the most votes during the open online voting dates. Since the start of the program in 2013, the Pennsylvania contests have received more than 3 million votes. Here to present the Viewer's Choice Award winner to the team with the most votes is Northern Tier Contest Manager Ethan Sexton.
Thank you, Laura, and thank you to everyone who's tuning in tonight for our virtual awards event. My sincerest thanks of all goes out to the schools and the manufacturers who worked together once schools reopened in the fall to complete their videos so that we could wrap up this year's program after starting in the fall of 2019. You've overcome huge hurdles to complete this, and I can't thank you enough. At Northern Tier, it's our honor to host this program every year, featuring our local manufacturers, getting our students involved with careers in manufacturing, and highlighting the manufacturing process. It's my honor to announce the award for our Viewer's Choice, conducted from over 24,000 online votes. And the winner is Wellsboro Area School District and Metalcraft. Congratulations.
Today we're going to be doing a really cool lesson about science and manufacturing.
We already know that science is cool, but what's so cool about manufacturing?
Right here in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania, there is an opportunity for those interested to be part of the future of fabrication of powdered metal. Metalcraft utilizes the PM process to make parts used by the automotive industry, from gas tank explosion deterrent to new truck tailgate systems, parts for steel brand chainsaws, among many other products that might be on the market today or are in development. Let's take a look at the manufacturing process for PM and see what you might need to know or do to join Metalcraft and their cool manufacturing team. There are 3 steps in the production of powder metal components. 1. Powder preparation. 2. Compaction. 3. Sintering. Metal powder is first formed and blended. The metal powder mixture is put into the molding press and compacted to form a green compound. Although each step is very important to the overall process, the sintering of the green compact utilizes very hot ovens and is one of the most important. It is during this step the metal powder particles are bonded together to form the final part. Just some of the many careers to consider involved in these processes include nitrogen delivery transport operators. Now that's cool! Liquid nitrogen is stored between negative 346 degrees and negative 320 degrees to be exact. We learned from our visit that if nitrogen gets below negative 346 degrees, it turns into a solid, and if it rises above negative 320 degrees, it boils and becomes a gas.
Your information made quite an impression on me. Get it? Impression? Like the pressed powdered metal?
What's so cool about manufacturing?
On behalf of the Wellsboro Area School District, I'd like to take a moment to thank Mrs. Denise Rout and her amazing team for creating another outstanding video. We are so proud of the work that you've done.
We here at Metalcraft were thrilled to have learned that the Rock L. Butler School has for a second year been victorious in producing a video about local manufacturing. We at MKI are proud of your accomplishment and hope that the lessons learned from this project will enhance your future growth. Again, congratulations, and we wish you continued success.
Thank you, Ethan, and congratulations to Wellsboro and Metalcraft. Now, let's take a look at our third and final highlight reel.
Middle schoolers from all over the region have been working hard to tell these stories.
We have one more highlight reel to show you. What's so cool about manufacturing?
Towanda area and Global Tungsten and Powders. Athens area and Lockheed Martin.
Thank you, Lockheed Martin.
Tunkhannock area and Procter & Gamble.
There are so many cool things about manufacturing.
Our final award is for overall achievement. This award is presented to the student team that brings together storytelling, creativity, and technical production. For our runner-up this year, we had a tie. Congratulations to Athens and Lockheed Martin and Tunkhannock and Procter & Gamble. And the award for overall achievement goes to Mountain View and Golis Machine.
Do you guys ever wonder how stuff is made? Yeah, or where it comes from? We should find out.
Let's go.
I like the creativity of being able to make stuff, and then it's kind of neat too, like when you get on an airplane and know that a lot of these parts that are in the airplane are things that we've made.
I wonder what types of machines they use for that.
Excuse me, 3 steps in the machining of this part. It takes up 3 of these vice jaws, going all the way around. You have to machine it extremely slow, because otherwise it'll wreck the tools. Each cycle takes approximately an hour to run for 2 parts. This is what we call the snowflakes. These are, we make kind of thousands of these a year, and they go into a, ready for this, laser guided bomb. Yeah, we usually do about 400 a month on this, and when this machine is running these parts, it does non-stop 24 hours a day.
I wonder how precise they have to be.
Have people understand the measuring.
Many of the parts made here need to meet a tolerance of 1/10,000th of an inch.
I wonder what it takes to work there.
How many years of college do you have to get?
How much skills do you have to have? Probably a lot.
First of all, you want somebody who has a good work ethic. So that involves integrity, that involves knowing how to put your best foot forward, to give it a good try, to show up on time, to work diligently, to communicate back and forth with questions, with answers. After that, people in this business are good with math skills. We use a lot of computers, so computer skills are helpful.
Man, that stuff was really cool. So now we know what everything's made out of. I'm glad we could find the answers to our questions. Yeah, me too.
Manufacturing is cool, and we want to thank everybody at Mountain View for coming out and making this video and showing how cool manufacturing really is. Thank you.
Mountain View, congratulations. Your first year in the competition, and you're going home with the overall award. Great stuff. A feat made even better by the fact that the voting this year was so close. So congratulations to all schools in that regard. As many of the judges for our overall award mentioned to me that they struggled. So that's just a testament to everybody and makes Mountain View's achievement as our overall award winner that much more impressive. Congratulations.
Congratulations to Mountain View and Golis Machine. And congratulations to all of our students and teachers. You did a fabulous job capturing what's so cool about today's manufacturing careers and high-tech work environments. We hope you leave today feeling inspired and excited about our future workforce.